Connecting multiple push buttons to your Honeywell Home Series 3, 5, and 9 doorbells is simple. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect a second push button to your Honeywell Home doorbell. We'll also be taking a look at choosing a custom tone for the second push button, as well as a custom halo light color so you can easily tell which button is being pressed. To connect a second push button, start by pressing and holding the settings button on the doorbell for 3 seconds. The halo light on the front will start to circle. While the light is circling, press the push button you'd like to connect to the doorbell. The doorbell should automatically detect the push button and connect. To customize the chime that plays when this button is pressed, within 12 seconds of pressing the push button, press the music button to select the ring for that push button. To customize the halo light color, within 12 seconds of pressing the doorbell, press the sunlight button on the side and select a halo light color for that push button. The Honeywell Home Series 3, 5, and 9 doorbells support up to 6 connected devices. For more information, to purchase a Honeywell Home doorbell or additional wireless push buttons, visit www.honeywellstore.com.